what you thought you heard him say. And so you drifted off to see what's not in yourself. The light is turning slowly, will it lay out on the plains? No more nights, so watch you roll back in. No relief of no rain. They're still singing songs of rivers tied to accidents within, and telling people lies of lions, treasures and kings. Nothing's more revealing than the dancer in the doubt, waving to forget what's never gone, always there, never right. In all these riots of broken sound, like the last voice you heard when you drowned alone. You know, this is wind and walls and weathered leaves and tearing sails, and minnows in your pockets when the rapids on trails. This is not the future, but I sense it's right up there. Oh, just another hour, another pass, another day anywhere. And all these riots of broken sound, and you sleep on the track every night. Oh,